Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to look at how to send large audio files on WhatsApp using your Android phone. If you've ever tried to send an audio file and noticed WhatsApp's size limits, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share your files quickly and easily. Let's start by understanding the issue. WhatsApp has a file size limit of 16 megabytes for media files like audio, video, and images. This limit is usually enough for short voice notes or small files, but can become a challenge when you need to send longer audio clips or high-quality recordings. When you try to send a file that exceeds this limit, WhatsApp will simply not allow it. To work around this limitation, we'll explore two practical methods: compressing the file and using cloud storage. For the first method, you'll need a file compression app. These apps reduce the size of your files by creating compressed versions. Start by opening the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type in WinZip or any similar app that specializes in file compression. Select the app from the results, tap Install, and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Inside the compression app, navigate to the folder where your large audio file is stored. Browse through your directories until you locate the file. Once you find it, select the file and choose the option to create a zip file. The app will process the file and compress it, reducing its size. After the process is finished, you'll find the newly compressed zip file saved in the same folder. Now that the file is smaller, you can send it through WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the file. Tap on the paperclip icon in the message box, then choose Document instead of Audio. This will allow you to attach and send the compressed zip file. The recipient will need to extract the file using a similar app to access the audio. If the compression method doesn't work for you or the file is still too large, we can use the second method, cloud storage. Popular cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox are perfect for sharing large files. For this example, let's use Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your phone and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. From the options that appear, select Upload. Browse through your phone storage to find the audio file you want to upload and tap on it to start the upload process. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in your Google Drive. Tap on the three-dot menu next to the file name and select the Share option. In the Sharing menu, tap Copy Link. This link can be shared with anyone, and they'll be able to download the file directly. Go back to WhatsApp, open the chat, and paste the link into the message box. Send the message, and your recipient will be able to access and download the file with ease. These two methods are reliable solutions to WhatsApp's file size limitation. Compressing is great for moderately large files, while cloud storage is ideal for very large files. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.